Welcome to 5 Minutes Yoga. I'm Nella, and this is a 5-minute guided breathing practice to soothe mental noise and reconnect with calm using the ocean-like Ujjayi breath. Find a comfortable seat or lie down. Let your hands rest. Soften your gaze or close your eyes. Begin by simply noticing your breath, in and out. Let's take one deep inhale through the nose and slow, easy exhale through the mouth. Once more, inhale and sigh it out. Now we'll gently shift into a special kind of breath, Ujjayi or ocean breath. It's soft and steady, like waves rolling in and out. To get the feel for it, imagine you're fogging up a mirror. Take a breath in and exhale through your mouth with a ha sound, like this. Try that a few more times. Inhale and exhale, fogging the mirror. The sound should be gentle, not forced. Now try fogging up a big mirror in one long breath. Inhale and again, but this time halfway through the exhale, gently close your mouth and continue the breath through your nose. Inhale and let's try that together. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, then close the mouth and finish through the nose. Inhale. Now keep your mouth closed and see if you can keep that slight feeling of constriction in the throat as you inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. It's a soft, whispery sound, like the ocean. Don't worry if it's not perfect. You're just exploring. Keep going now at your own pace. Inhaling and exhaling. Always through the nose with that gentle ocean sound. Let your breath be your anchor. With each inhale, invite a bit more space. With each exhale, soften your jaw, your shoulders, your mind. If any thoughts drift in, just let them float by and come back to the sound of your breath. Let's take 2 more ocean breaths together now. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale gently, staying with a soft sound. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Now let your breath return to its natural rhythm and notice how you feel, even if it's just a bit calmer than before. When you're ready, Wiggle your fingers, your toes, maybe roll your shoulders, and open your eyes gently. Carry this sense of calm with you wherever your day takes you. Thank you for practicing with me.